In the last video, I showed you how to find high-paying affiliate offers on OfferLab, the brand new affiliate platform that's changing the game. And at the end, I mentioned something that caught everyone's attention: AI influencers. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create one yourself, step by step, and how to use it to promote OfferLab affiliate products that can pay you hundreds or even thousands of dollars per sale. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create your AI influencer's character and generate realistic voiceovers and videos, connect everything to your OfferLab affiliate links, and automate your posts so your AI influencer can make you money 24/7 while you stay completely behind the scenes. Let's get started. AI influencers are exploding across social media. They're completely virtual, generated by artificial intelligence, but they look and sound real. They post videos, reply to comments, and promote products automatically. Some already have hundreds of thousands of followers, and a few are earning 5 or 6 figures every month. The reason they work is simple. People care more about connection and value than about whether someone is real. AI influencers can post every day in perfect tone without burnout, and they're consistent, which social media algorithms love. Combine that with high-ticket affiliate offers from OfferLab, and you have a passive income system that runs on autopilot. Start by opening ChatGPT in your browser. We'll use it to design your influencer's personality, tone, and first batch of video scripts. Copy and paste this prompt. You are my script and brand assistant. Create a complete AI influencer package for a virtual avatar named Luna. Niche, wellness, and habit change. Target audience, women ages 25 to 40 who are into healthy living. Tone, friendly, motivational, concise. Produce a short character profile, 2 to 3 sentences. 10 short video scripts, each 15 to 30 seconds long, with a hook, 2 or 3 value lines, and a call to action mentioning link in bio. 10 short captions for Instagram or TikTok, 1 per script, each with 1 or 2 lines, 2 hashtags, and 1 emoji. A 14-day content calendar showing which script to post each day and which days include a direct OfferLab product mention. Hit enter and wait a few seconds. ChatGPT will give you a full brand identity and content library, scripts, captions, and a posting schedule. Save this text somewhere safe. You'll use it in the next steps. Next, we'll create the actual face of your influencer. You can use any image generation tool, Midjourney, Leonardo AI, or Stable Diffusion. But I really like this exact method. Check it out. Open up an incognito window, type in LMA arena.ai and open it. Choose image generation, then select direct chat and paste your prompt. Here's a sample prompt. Create a photorealistic portrait of a charismatic female wellness coach named Luna. Mid-20s, olive skin, hazel eyes, shoulder length wavy hair, wearing a light green sweater. Over the shoulder angle, soft natural light, shallow depth of field, cinematic 50mm lens, 4K resolution. Background, blurred home studio with plants and warm tones. Style, realistic influencer portrait. You can repeat this multiple times until you find the image you like. Once you're happy with it, simply download it. That's your AI influencer's profile image. Now we'll bring the character to life. Open ElevenLabs and log in. Click Create Voice. Choose a bass tone, like friendly female, and name it Luna Voice. Then copy one of the scripts and paste it into the text box. Example, quick reminder, small healthy habits add up fast. Drink a glass of water when you wake up, stretch for 2 minutes, and set one small win for today. These actions tell your brain you're in control. Want a complete plan? Check the link in my bio for the Year of You program. Select a normal speech rate and a warm, engaging emotion. Click Generate. When you're happy with how it sounds, click Download and save it as luna01.wave. Repeat this for all 10 scripts so you'll have a full set of audio clips. You can click on the link in the description to create your account on ElevenLabs. Now that we've created our AI influencer, Luna's portrait and her realistic ElevenLabs voice, let's bring her to life using HeyGen. HeyGen is one of the easiest tools to turn a static image into a speaking animated avatar. It takes your photo and your voiceover file and automatically syncs the mouth and facial movements to make it look like a real person talking on camera. Here's exactly how to do it step by step. Go to heygen.com and log into your account. If you don't already have one, click sign up and create a free or paid account. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From the Shortcuts tab, click on Photo to Video. Click Upload Photo and choose the image of your AI influencer, in our case, Luna. After uploading, HeyGen will process the image for a few seconds. When it's ready, you'll see your character appear in the preview window. Tip: make sure your photo shows your influencer's full face, looking forward, with good lighting and no extreme angles. That helps the AI generate more realistic mouth movements. Now it's time to bring Luna's voice to life. In the right panel, click Upload Audio, then select your ElevenLabs file. For example, luna_01.wav. Below the preview, you'll see video settings. Set resolution to 1080p for high quality video. Frame rate 30 frames per second. Duration should automatically match your voiceover length. Now let's go and edit this video. Click on captions and choose the style you like. Once everything looks good, click Generate Video. HeyGen will process your photo, sync the lip movements, apply your voiceover, and render the final animation. This usually takes between 1 and 5 minutes, depending on your internet speed and video length. When it's done, you'll see a download button. Click it to save your finished MP4 file to your computer.
Quick reminder, small healthy habits add up fast. Drink a glass of water when you wake up, stretch for 2 minutes, and set one small win for today. These actions tell your brain you're in control. Want a complete plan? Check the link in my bio for the Year of You program.
Open the finished video in any video editor like CapCut or Premiere Pro to make small adjustments. You can add intro music, animated text, or your OfferLab affiliate call to action at the end. For example, at the last 3 seconds, you could overlay text that says, check the link in bio to join the Year of You program. Repeat this same process for each of your ElevenLabs voiceover files. You can create a whole library of AI influencer videos, all with consistent style and branding. After you have 5 to 10 videos ready, start uploading them to TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Use the captions that ChatGPT generated for you in step 1 as the post descriptions. Now, connect everything to an offer. Log into OfferLab and open the marketplace. Find a product that fits your influencer's niche. For Luna, pick the Year of You Health Coaching Program. It pays roughly $445 per sale. Click Get Affiliate Link, copy it, and paste it into your TikTok or Instagram bio. On YouTube, add it to your video description under a heading like Luna's Pick, Transform Your Health. Get instant access here. Include the affiliate disclosure line right below it. You can schedule all your videos to post automatically using Metricool, Later, or Buffer. Open your scheduler, upload the video, paste the caption from ChatGPT, and set your posting times. Schedule your full 2-week calendar in one sitting. If you prefer manual posting, just upload directly through TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Keep your link visible in your profile at all times. Once one influencer starts gaining traction, duplicate the process. Use ChatGPT to build another character, maybe one focused on mindset, entrepreneurship, or travel, and connect it to a different OfferLab offer. Each character can be its own income stream. Over time, you can run a small network of AI influencers, all linking to your affiliate dashboard. Check your OfferLab analytics regularly. See which videos bring the most clicks and sales. When something performs well, make more content with that same tone or topic. You can always feed your best performing scripts back into ChatGPT and ask for 10 variations to scale faster. Always include an affiliate disclosure to stay compliant and transparent. Avoid false claims. Keep your content motivational, helpful, and brand safe. And that's it. That's how you can build your own AI influencer step by step. Create the character, voice, and videos, connect your OfferLab links, and automate everything for passive income. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment automate below if you want me to make a full follow-up video showing how to schedule posts and grow followers faster. And don't forget, the special early access link to OfferLab is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.